How to make clay in Little Alchemy 2. Now if you want to make clay in Little Alchemy 2, all we have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the game. We have 4 elements by default: air, earth, fire and water. So first we will combine water and earth to create a mud, and we will combine earth and fire to create a lava. Once we've created lava, we will combine air to this lava to basically create a stone. Now our clay will be ready when we combine stone to the mud that we have created, and just like that you can see we have our clay in hand. And this way you will be able to make clay in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.